Hello all-nighters. Today we are going to discuss about phases of compiler. In the previous video, we have come across a tool called compiler between preprocessor and assembler. In compiler, there are primarily two phases. One is analysis phase and other one is synthesis phase. What happens in analysis phase is simply the given characters will be broken into tokens and the syntax and semantic values will be checked, like whether the given code is syntactically correct and semantically strong. It will be checked, and it will be stored in the information will be stored in symbol table. Whereas in synthesis phase, it generates the target code from the intermediate code available. Now first we'll be starting with a high level language, which is the source code. Now this source code will be sent to a lexical analyzer. This lexical analyzer breaks the character stream into tokens using a tool called lex. Lex is used to generate tokens. And there are also other functionalities of lexical analyzer, such as removing white spaces or ignoring comments. We'll be discussing detailedly about every analyzer in the following videos. Next comes the syntax analyzer. It analyzes whether the given program is syntactically correct or not, and generates a parse tree. Next, this semantic, it will be passed to the semantic analyzer. It will check whether all the semantics are holding correct or not. These three constitute of this analysis phase. These three constitute of analysis phase in compiler, and the later three and these three are considered as synthesis phase. Here the intermediate code generator, intermediate code is generated, and then the code is optimized for less number of lines, like few lines will be decreased or removed or simply optimized to less number of lines, and finally the target code will be generated, which is nothing but assembly code. Now let us know detail more about analysis phase and synthesis phase. In analysis phase, it breaks up the source program and imposes a grammatical structure on them. Like we have seen in analysis phase, in specifically lexical analyzer, the character stream is tokenized and will be converted into token using this lex tool. And it also checks the syntaxes. It collects information about the source program and stores it in a data structure called as symbol table. Check this symbol table. It stores all the data from the code, like identifiers, variables. All the data about them will be stored in this symbol table and will be passed on to synthesis phase as well. And coming to synthesis phase, it constructs the desired target program from the intermediate representation and the information in the symbol table. From the information in the symbol table and the intermediate code generated, we'll get a target code. That is simply the brief introduction of phases of compiler. We'll be dealing the next video with an example on understanding all the analyzers in detail. Thank you.